Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create EBS Snapshot in different regions using AWS new dashboard. So let's move to AWS console. As you can see, we are in EC2 dashboard. Here in the left hand side, if I scroll down to Elastic Block Store and click on snapshots, we created this snapshot in our previous video. If you could not watch this video, link of this video will also share in the description. You can watch from there. Now for different region, just right click on this snapshot and click on copy snapshot. In the description here it is showing a copied snapshot for our test snapshot. I am just leaving it default. Now in the destination region, just click on drop down menu. For example, I want to create this snapshot in our AP Southeast one, which is our Singapore region. Just click on AP Southeast one and click on copy snapshot. As you can see, this snapshot is successfully copied to our destination region. Now click on Ohio and from here choose AP Southeast one. Here you can see one snapshot is in pending state. If I expand this description, you can see this is a copy of test snapshot. This will take couple of minutes to copy this snapshot. It depends on the size of the snapshot. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.